How to lock apps on Android app lock settings guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to settings. So I will simply click on settings. Once we click here you guys will see search bar option. So simply click on search bar option. Now here you guys will simply search for lock. Now I will simply search for lock. Once I search for lock, here you guys can see analog lock and other things, but we will simply scroll. Once we scroll here, you guys can see app lock, screen lock, SIM card lock. So I'll simply click on app lock. Once I click on app lock, here you guys can see all other options like app security, device unlock and other things, but we will simply scroll till end. Now here you guys can see app lock in special features option. So I'll simply click on app lock. Once I click on app lock, here it will need your phone password, so give it. After that you guys will see app lock and all the apps that you in your phone. So for example, I want to add app lock to my CapCut app, so I'll simply turn on it, and once I turn on it, that's it, the lock will be done to CapCut. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.